Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about tectonic plates and how the different boundaries and different hotspots and continental rifts and all that stuff, how it impacts our planet. So let's just jump right into it. So what we're going to start off with are divergent plate boundaries. So these are known as where new crust is generated as the plates pull away from each other. So on this map, we'll see these are all around here. So this is the Pacific plate. So you see it right here, just going down, and how it kind of surrounds the oceanic crust. You got the Nazca plate, the Antarctica plate. It just surrounds all these plates and kind of separates them into different, groupings. Um, so kind of just, it's all around this map. So kind of, it's like you almost like a window. It's like just all these cracks and all these different sections and how they just surround each other. So then now let's look at the other one. So the next one is convergent plate boundaries. This is where crust is recycled as one plate dives under another in the direction shown. So these will be right here. So it rubs up against the convergent plates. So they're all around here by the Pacific plate. And then if you kind of go over here, there's a lot right here by Eurasia. You got the Philippines plate right here, and Australia. There's so many over here. There's some on the land, then you got someone on like the edge of the continents. It's very popular over here. And then you got some like over here by India and Russia. Not really that many over here by Africa. A little bit, but not too much. So then, let's see. So then the next one, we're looking at transform plate boundaries. This is where crust is neither produced nor consumed as plates side horizontally from each other. So it kind of would be like right around like here by the Somalia plate, kind of near Africa. And some would be like over here by the South American plate. If we look at our map again, it should tell us. Yeah, and then there's a lot over here by the Pacific plate, this huge section. And then next we look at hotspots. So hotspots are defined as volcanic regions thought to be fed by underlying mantle that is anonymously hot compared with in their surrounding mantle. So this map shows the bigger it is, the bigger the circle, the hotter it is. So if we look over here by South America, they're right around here, and there's quite a few of them. Here there's a line of them, pretty hot. As they go down, they're a little less uh, thick in color, so they're not as hot. Let's see if I can find. There's a lot over here by the coast. So on the Philippines, but there's a lot of them. And they kind of surround this plate. So there must be a lot of volcanic regions over there. So then now we look at trenches. So they're topographic depressions of the seafloor, relatively narrow in width but very long. So the best way I could find a trench would be right, I believe, right here are trenches. These little blue like lines. This would be a trench. So they kind of like it's like you're looking at a scatter plot. So these would all be categorized as trenches. And then maybe over here would be a trench. And then continental rifts are defined as is the belt or zone of the continental lithosphere where the extensional deformation is occurring. So we'd probably look at continental drifting like right here on the outside of the country right here on the exterior. and then right here. So these countries are drifting apart from each other, and that can be obviously due to continental drifting. And then here, look at Eurasia, and then kind of near Australia, how they drift apart. Well, that about covers everything, and I hope I did a decent job covering it, and I appreciate it for you guys listening. Thank you.